Hi everyone. Welcome back to Car Experience, your ultimate destination for everything cars. Today we're diving into a true classic, a muscle car that defines raw power, iconic design, and timeless appeal, the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454. Buckle up, because this one's going to be a ride down memory lane for muscle car lovers and a feast for those who appreciate automotive excellence. Let's kick things off with a little history. Back in 1970, Chevrolet decided to up their game in the muscle car wars. The result? The Chevelle SS 454, which quickly became one of the most legendary cars of its time. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement, a declaration that American muscle was here to stay. It's no surprise that the 1970 Chevelle SS 454 is still highly sought after today. Now, let's talk about what makes this car so special, starting with what's under the hood. The SS 454 came equipped with a 7.4-liter V8 engine, which was available in two configurations. The LS5 produced 360 horsepower, while the even more powerful LS6 cranked out a jaw-dropping 450 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque. This made it the most powerful muscle car of its time. With all that power, the SS 454 could do 0 to 60 mph in just about 6 seconds, which, for 1970, was nothing short of incredible. Driving the Chevelle SS 454 was an experience like no other. The growl of that big block V8, the feel of the road through the steering wheel, and the sheer thrill of launching this beast down the highway, it's the kind of thing that stays with you forever. This car wasn't just about going fast, it was about how it made you feel while doing it. Design-wise, the Chevelle SS 454 is a masterpiece of muscle car aesthetics. The long, aggressive hood, the bold SS badging, the dual racing stripes, and that iconic cowl induction hood all scream performance. The wide stance and muscular lines give it a presence that demands attention even 50 years later. Inside, it's all about simplicity and functionality, with bucket seats, a clean dashboard layout, and enough style to remind you you're in something special. But let's address the big question: how much does it cost to own one of these legends today? Well, prices for a 1970 Chevelle SS 454 vary depending on condition, originality, and whether it has the highly desirable LS6 engine. A well-maintained LS5 model might set you back around $70,000 to $90,000. If you're after the LS6, be prepared to spend anywhere between $150,000 to over $200,000 for a pristine example. And if you find one with rare options or an impeccable restoration, it could go even higher. Owning a Chevelle SS 454 isn't just about having a car, it's about owning a piece of American automotive history. This car represents a golden era of muscle cars, a time when horsepower reigned supreme and style was just as important as performance. Whether you're taking it to a car show, cruising down the street, or just admiring it in your garage, this car is guaranteed to turn heads and spark conversations. Now, here's the thing: while the Chevelle SS 454 is undoubtedly a legend, it's not without its challenges. Maintenance on a car like this requires attention to detail and a good understanding of classic car mechanics. Parts can sometimes be hard to find and pricey, especially if you're trying to keep everything original. But for those who love it, these are small sacrifices for the joy of owning such an icon. So, what do you think? Is the 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 the ultimate muscle car? Let me know in the comments below. And if you've ever had the chance to drive or own one, I'd love to hear your stories. Thanks for tuning in to Car Experience. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic and modern car reviews. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Until next time, drive safe and keep experiencing cars the way they're meant to be. See you soon.